Boom! Boom! Boom!
So pag-aaralan nyo yun, ay circle! Nagkaroon muna tayo ng circle.
Boom!
Yan yung gano'n natin. Ang galing. Pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay ang parts of a circle. Ang una natin pag-aaralan ay ang central angle. From the words itself, central. Kasi niya. At yung pangalawa ay angle. Mag-drawing tayo dito ng ganyan. Ganyan. Be careful dahil ng central. Kaya maganda. So, malalaman natin na central angle kung ang vertex ay nasa ito po. Yan. Yan parang malaking dot yan. Ang vertex. Vertex is the point where two lines meet in the middle. So, ang pangalawang part ng ating circle ay ang semicircle. So, pangalawang part ng circle natin ay ang semicircle. Semi means half. Half. At ang circle ay circle meaning or is equal to 360 degrees. So, ang semicircle ay half. Which means half. Half. At ang circle ay 360 degrees, which is divided natin sa 2. 180 degrees. So, tapos na tayo sa central angle at sa semicircle. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ay ang major arc at ang minor arc. Ang minor arc ay less than 180 degrees. Ang nakikita na dito, 60 degrees lang ang nasasakop niya dito sa circle. At ang major arc naman ay more than 180 degrees. Kung makikita natin dito, 300 degrees ang nasasakop niya. Boom! Pag-aaral natin ngayon ay ang Theorem 109 and 110. So, ang 109 ay kapag ang arcs ay equal rin ang chords niya. Kaya natin pinag-examine 109 and 110 kasi halos magka-konektado siya. Relate siya sa isa't isa. At ang 109 and 110 naman ay ang chords ay equal rin ang arcs niya. So, dito naman tayo sa congruent arcs. Congruent arcs, dalawang circle na parallel measurement ang arc. Wari, magkaiba sila ng size ng circle, pero yung measurement ng arcs ay parehas or same, ay tinatawag siyang congruent arcs. Boom!
Parts of a circle. So, ang tatlong degree na yun ay degree measure of a semicircle, degree measure of minor arc, at degree measure of major arc. So, ang ibig sabihin naman ay kung ano ang measurement ng angle, yun din ang measurement ng arc. So, katulad nito, 60 degrees ang measurement ng angle. So, ganun din yung sa arc. Sa arc addition postulate naman ay ang measurement ng dalawang arcs na hindi overlap at adjacent. RPA na 30 degrees at ang RAC na 20 degrees. Ang sum nito ay 50 degrees. Ayun ang arc addition postulate. Paalam!
Okay, so now that we've discussed about the definitions of parts of a circle and the definitions of the degree measure parts of a circle, let us now talk about Theorem 130. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so in Theorem 113, if two central angles of a circle or of congruent circles are congruent, then the corresponding chords are congruent. So example, central angle P is 60 degrees, then angle HE is 30 degrees. We can say that angle LO will be 30 degrees. Theorem 114 is almost the same, but instead of and in 114 it is the opposite. If the chords are congruent, then we can say that the central angle will be congruent. Boom! Inscribed angle. So for our last theorem, 115. Inscribed angle. Masasabi natin na inscribed angle siya kung yung vertex niya ay on the circle and yung sides niya nako-contain ng circle. Next theorem. Theorem 115, our next and final theorem. It states that the measure of an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. So, kung hahanapin natin yung inscribed angle, kailangan lang natin i-divide by 2 yung intercepted arc. At kung hahanapin naman natin yung intercepted arc, i-times 2 lang natin yung inscribed angle, yung measurement nun. Okay, next up is corollary 115.1. Madali lang siya ma-recognize kasi ang definition niya ay an angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. So, kapag inscribed angle siya at nasumaan siya sa semicircle, meaning half ng circle, masasabi natin na right angle siya. Next up is corollary 115.2. This states that if two inscribed angles, EHP and ELP, intercept the same arc or congruent arcs, then the angles are congruent. So, pag sinasabi lang dito, kapag yung EHP and ELP, same arc sila na ini-intercept, yung mga angles nila ay congruent, meaning same lang sila ng measurements. So, pag EHP is equivalent to 15, then we can say that ELP is also 15 degrees. Moving on to the next corollary, 115.3, it states that opposite angles of an inscribed quadrilateral in a circle are supplementary. Ano nga ba muna ang supplementary? Supplementary, di ba yun yung kapag mag-hi ka sa bata? Oy, sup-elementary. Okay, supplementary. From the root word supplement, kailangan nila yung isa't isa, sinusupply yung isa't isa para maging totoo yung theorem. So, kada angle nagsusupply or makes up the 180 degrees. Basta kapag sinabing supplementary, kailangan 180 degrees siya. So, back to corollary 150.3, kada angle nagsusupply siya to make 180 degrees. So, 30 degrees plus 40 degrees, 70 degrees. 70 plus 65, 135 degrees. 135 degrees plus 45 degrees equals 180 degrees. So, on to the next and final theory or corollary, corollary 115.4. It states that if two arcs of a circle are inscribed between parallel seconds, then the arcs are congruent. So, ulitin natin. Two arcs of a circle are inscribed between parallel seconds, then the arcs are congruent. So, if this arc is 30 degrees, so, masasabi natin na corollary 115.4 siya kung yung dalawang arc ay naka-inscribe between two parallel seconds. Masasabi natin na same sila ng measurement. So, if this is 30 degrees, then this will also be 30 degrees.